Come. Look. Bend your knees, let it drift, and then kick, lift. Yes, this way. Come. Keep the board, lift, you gotta lift your toe. Lift your toe. Yeah, there you go. Good. Lean back, forward, now drop. Lean, good job. No, you're fine. Keep leaning. Come this way. Keep the board on your heel, Nadi. Good. Remember, drift to the right more. You don't want to fall off the edge. Good, you get on, but drift to the right. You want to aim your right foot. Aim your right foot to the right, bro. Oh, let me help you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. There you go. Good job. Just stay on. You're good. Lift. You didn't lift up. You let it catch. You see how I'm lifting it? My front's not hitting the snow. You let it hit the snow. You grab the snow. Bend no. Okay. That way's not easy to get up either. Go ahead. Push. Lift up. You're catching a lot of snow in the front. Lean back. Good. Lean back. Stay on your toe. Sophia, look. Gotta keep the board like this, bro. Do it again. You got it. You did it before. Let the hill lift you up, Sophia. Point your snow board down the hill. No, that's not the heel style. You're pointing straight. There you go, like that. All right, I'm coming to help you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Lift. Keep that heel up. Lean back. Okay. No, you just fell on your own. You didn't catch any snow. Lean back. Good. Lean back, no! Bro, don't let yourself catch forward. You caught snow. You gotta lean back. You gotta feel your toe. You gotta kick your toe up. Kick your toe up to go on your heel. Go ahead. Here, let me help you. Ready? Pull. Oh. Now lean back. Get your right foot over. But you can do it like that. You can stay like that because it's slow. Stay like that because it's slow. There's not that much hill. There's not that much hill, Sophie, so you can do that. So, yeah, there wasn't that much hill, so she could keep going straight. Come on, Sophia. She's tired. There's much more work on a snowboard. Much more. Use a lot of muscle.
Work, right?
Yeah, a lot of muscle. You got to be in top shape.
Look forward. You know where the board is already. Tell me how to control it. So just look forward. Look forward. Don't look down.
Your footing, you should know how your feet feel. Lean back, keep the toe up. That's the heel. You're doing the heel technique.
I'm looking forward. Look, I'm not looking down.
All right.
I'm not looking down. I already know where they're at.
She's tired getting up because she don't know how to use the momentum of the hill. Even that's still tiring. Oh, move out. Come on, Sophie. Now keep the, look, the snow is hitting the, lean back, bro. There you go.
This way. Sophie, stop looking
She
down.
had it before.
Stop looking down. You know where it is.
Just let it drift. It's not that hilly. Just keep going. Keep it like that. Keep it like that. You're fine. Because there's not that much hill. Watch, Sophia. Watch me, right? Watch. So you want to do this. Just drift. Left. And then right. Lift up. Lean back. Good. Good job. Yeah.
That was godly.
Keep going, Sophie. You got it, bro. Get some speed. To the right. Right side. To the right side. Oh, watch out. Sorry, Sophia. You all right? My bad. Go that way. Slow. Right. Good. No, keep it up. Keep it pointing. Slow down. Come this way. Go that way. Keep drifting that way. Good job. Keep drifting that way. There you go. Keep drifting. Just do what I'm doing, but backwards. The same way I'm doing, you're doing the same thing. But I'm on my toe. Good job, you're doing fine, see? There you go. Keep that knee bend. Control your speed, drift left. Go right, count 1, 2. Left, 1, 2, count 1, 2. Right, 1, 2, count 1, 2, and then switch. Switch, right? Every 2 count, switch. Every 2 count, switch. You hear that, Sophia? Every 2 count, switch. Wow. Come on. Oh, Chow, you still here? Nadi, you right? I didn't. Gotta wait for my camera to be on if you're gonna fall like that. Stay with your kids. I'm gonna get Nadi down. Come on, Nadi. Tell her to stay on the heel. Stay on your heel. Good. Go right. 1, 2. Left. 1, 2. Count. Right. 1, 2. Go right. Good. 1, 2. No, left. 1, 2. Right. 1, 2. Do 2 count. Do two count. Hola. Drift. No, Nadi. Don't let your board get like that. Hello. Nani, slow down. 1, 2. 1, 2. Slow down. Drift. Drift. 1, 2. Count. Defensive stand, like in basketball. Don't fight it. You're fighting it. Let it go. Let it go by itself. Keep it like that. Keep it like that. Just keep it like that. Let it turn slowly. There you go. Now you got it. Hold on, Nadi. Come on, Nadi, you can do this. Don't fight it. Okay, now drift this way, good. Feel the natural drift, good. There you go. Don't fight it. Don't fight it. Good job. There you go. You got this. Don't worry about it. Just keep going. Drift to the right now. Drift to the right. You got it. Keep going. Slow down. Slow down. Slow it down. Good job. Oh, that's okay. You're getting the hang of it. There you go, yeah. That's the way to get up. Keep coming. Drift more, drift more. Oh, you right, bro? Listen, you're just coming straight. I want you to zigzag like a snake.
Okay.
Work on that form. You're just dropping. Work on the form. Don't just drop straight. Look, watch me. You want to zigzag, look. You alright?
Yeah.
Alright, now zigzag this way. Good. Keep coming. Now slowly, turn the other way, slowly. Sorry, she's a noob. Oh, she paid for it.
Sorry, bro.
You're good, you're good. Nadi, this way. Don't fight it, let it drift. Drift to the right, drift to me. Drift this way. Let it drift. Come on, come. Nadi, this way, bro. Nadi, hold on, Nadi. Nadi, you have to take your binding off. Take your binding off. As long as I don't hit them. Chow, hold this for a second. Keep it straight, no. as long as I don't hit that button. I gotta deactivate that button. You know what I mean? If you hit that button at the top, it stops the recording.
It's not possible.
Huh? Not possible. Oh, everything's possible.
You're gonna.
Let me get ahead of you guys. Let's pick up speed. Come. Whoa, too much speed there, Jack. Get in front of me. Get in front. I'm good. I'm good. Technical difficulty. Son of a gun. Caught an edge there. But I'll catch up. Excuse me, sorry. I slipped on ice over there. An ice pack. Oh, we're going the wrong way, guys. We're going uphill. We went up. We always went uphill. May the force be with you. Oh, that ice spot. Son of a B1. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Full speed. Full throttle ahead. Full throttle. Watch out, people. Woo-hoo. We're good, we're good. Oh.